That's a
badge? Yeah, it's a badge.
It's a badge.
It is. It's not a kid's toy.
Expert Rifleman.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a World War II metal detecting video. Today we're going to be exploring an old World War II army camp, specifically the Divisional Headquarters of that camp. Now, US soldiers first arrived in this camp in 1943, and when the war in the Pacific moved on, they gave it to the Australians. So hopefully with any luck we should be able to find both Australian and US equipment. Now, the Divisional Headquarters of this camp is on private property, but we have received permission from the owners to metal detect here. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video and see what we find.
So we're just in this clearing where we think tents used to be in here. We just found this spawn button. There's not much on it, I don't think there's any writing, but cool find nonetheless. Hold on. I don't know, I'll show it cleaned up for you and let you know if I find any information on it. Let's go rid of it again.
Bullet.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a live one.
It's a live M1 carbine. So this was used in the the M1 carbine. Yeah, live one.
It's a revolver, is it?
No, it's a rifle. It's a semi-automatic rifle.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Live M1 carbine bullet.
Oh,
So we just found this, what seems to be a coin. Flat disc.
that looks like
It's a bit corroded, bit broken.
whether it's
I'll clean it up and then post it on the video.
yeah.
Oh, a small buckle.
Cool.
Just a real small one.
After some research, we discovered that this is actually a part of the clip of a bandage that secures it together.
Hello.
Oh, no, there you go. That's a good one. Bit of blank.
Yeah, that's a blank.
Yeah, cool.
Because it hasn't been fired. And there's like a,
Big crimps.
yeah, like a, well no, this one's broken, but there's like the paper kind of
Oh, yeah, flood.
thing, yeah, which is usual for blanks.
We have to do here. We have to go back over it.
Yeah.
Try and break that out.
Hold on.
Whoa, is that a
Yeah, it's coin.
coin? What sort of coin is it?
It's
The US?
got a buffalo on it.
It's a buffalo. What do you call it? The buffalo.
5 cents.
5 cents,
US 5 cents.
So what's that? A dime, 10 cents. What's 5 cents?
Yeah, it says United States of America 5 cents.
1 cent.
1936.
Well, there you go. So we found some cool stuff. Cool.
5 cents nickel.
That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, that's another tube.
Yeah, another tube. Still got some paint on it. Let's unroll it. Did find one of these yesterday. It's like a yellow. I think it was made in Sydney, so, or London. That's interesting.
Fine.
Yeah, right on the surface. Shell casing. 303. See if there's any more around here. Oh, buckle.
Buckle. Oh yeah, another one.
Yeah.
That matches the other one. Oh, no, that's the other end of it.
Yeah, it's
It's got the actual release
yeah,
on it.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we're just digging a hole and we found this badge. It's got heaps of stars on it. It's most likely US Army. Got some words writing on it. I'll clean that up and then put the image on the video. That's awesome. So put that into context there, we found the buckle, and right next to it here we found this badge. Let's see if there's anything else here. The 13 star button was used on all US Army battle fatigues throughout the Second World War, designed specifically for the Army. The 13 stars on the button represent the original 13 British colonies of the Atlantic coast north of the United States, similar to the 13 stripes on the flag. Yep. Over here. Something there. I think we've... Oh!
Oh, holy smoke, don't point that at you.
So that's a
pretty cool.
45 ACP bullet. So this was used for the Thompson and the Colt pistol. So that's a live one.
Otherwise,
So don't play around with this one too much. That's awesome. So right next to the badge. So probably hung out of here. Awesome. So another signal right next to it.
cool, man.
Oh.
Another buckle.
Another buckle.
Yeah, that's cool.
So yeah, the other buckle was right there. And I found this one. So this one's there's a kind of like a dump site here.
Yeah.
They must have frequently gone here.
What's that?
Oh, coin. Is it? No, it's another badge.
Another badge, yeah.
It's the same badge that we found.
Cool, so someone's probably left some uniform or something perhaps.
Yeah.
If we find 5 or 6 of them, it's probably a uniform that's been burnt in a bushfire.
Yeah, probably.
That's my theory anyway, I'm sticking with it. Alright,
So,
let's go over.
let's keep going.
Let's go over this again.
Oh! 50 caliber. 50 caliber. First 50 caliber.
Good job. Well done.
That's
a badge? Yeah, it's a badge.
It's a badge.
It is. It's a badge.
Expert something. Expert
Expedition?
Expert Rifleman. That's awesome.
That is cool.
Have a look.
Yeah.
Expert Rifleman.
That is excellent. Yeah.
That's the first badge, and
It's the first, yeah. And it's
that would be a rare badge.
yeah.
This turned out to be an Expert Rifleman badge, which was awarded to US Army and US Marine personnel who completed the Rifleman Weapons Qualification course. The Rifleman badge consisted of 3 tiers: Marksman, Sharpshooter, and Expert, with Expert being the highest, and began issuing these badges at the end of the 19th century. This badge consisted of a label at the top connected to a wreath with 2 rifles. Unfortunately, the one we found was missing the bottom half, but a great find nonetheless.
Could be pirate's treasure, or it could be.
So you're probably better off.
Yeah, it was going to clear the back side of it.
There we go. Oh. Okay. That's a... Are those brackets off a ammo box? So, it's empty. Whatever it is. But that's definitely... Because that is a distinct shape, the brackets along the ammo box.
So the rust is actually broken here anyway, but there we go. Whoop, there we go. See if we can't. Ooh! That is an ammo box. Shame we broke the bloody thing.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's actually cool.
So the lid actually, so that must have...
Just bits of rust and...
Yeah, shame we broke it, but there wasn't much we could do about it.
No.
It didn't break anyway. So that's cool.
No.
Oh, there it is.
Coin.
Fine. Yeah, cool.
It's a 1 cent. I think. Yeah, it's 1 cent.
Very much post-war. Still, cool.
It's interesting that it's sitting right next to war stuff.
Yeah.
Like it's the
Put that in your little bag. It's really cool.
mix of history.
Yeah.
What years? And it's a 1980 something.
Okay.
So very much after the war. Oh well, what's that? It's some strap, some kind of like
Clips thing or something.
yeah clip. Yeah, you got the clip there and then the buckle attached to the clip.
That could be a... Yeah, that could be off the back of a badge. You know they had like little dingly bits on them?
Yeah.
That could be off a hat or something.
That's interesting. Don't know. Another one of these.
Oh, right. Well, I'm wondering whether they're...
Like a plug thing. Another one of those. Another one of these. Yeah, another plug. It's another plug. Ah, there you go. There it is. Another one of those. So whatever these are, they're popular because that's the 4th one we found today. It's saying Ferris now. Now it's over there. Saying Ferris over here, but non-Ferris. Hold on. Oh.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah.
Some sort of...
It's like a little chain. I mean, that could be off the badge sort of thing. It's not long enough to be a bracelet, or has it got an end on it?
It's broken off one side.
Okay, well it's...
That's interesting.
Well, that's the end of the video. We found a lot of good stuff there. My personal favourite would probably be the Expert Rifleman badge. I haven't seen a lot of people find one, so that's probably my favourite. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually the first video of the channel. I do have some more lined up, so if you'd like to see that, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll get that out as soon as possible. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.